My name is Nabasa Jonathan. I'm a Congolese and I'm 23 years old. Basically, I came here in 2019 to Windle International Uganda City, Kagoma, and I learned computer basics, Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, and then Access and Internet. But further, I saw I had good skills which I needed to expand. So that's why I had to go further for Coursera. Coursera, I started one course. It was integrated rights of children. This was because I was working before with Watch Holland, and we are doing some team up with the children. So that's why I had to take that course. However, I saw I was going a bit far to what I wanted. So I had to go for more knowledge in the computer, and I went to data. So I started some small course concerning data, and due to that, I got another option, another chance with the University of the People. They gave me a scholarship, and at the moment I'm doing bachelor's degree in computer science. After completing my course with Windle International Uganda, I had to go into the field and I started looking for jobs. So first of all, I started, since I'd done a course in data, I started doing data collection. Before coming to Windle International Uganda, I was working with Watch Holland as a facilitator. But after getting the knowledge, I had to go for data. And at the moment, I'm working with almost every organization because I work with CARE, SCF, LWF, Plan International, ACE, with data collection. I do data collection, I do data cleaning, I do data transcribing and data entry. And I moved to different districts in Uganda, like last month I've been in Lamo, I just came recently. I've been doing some GPS coordination, like capturing GPS of different schools, different hospitals in the whole of Lamo. And I've been also doing some data cleaning for the district. As I'm also focusing on my project. Due to the knowledge I had obtained from CTA Kagoma with Windle, I thought it wise that my other colleagues, either refugees or nationals, could want also to get these basics we got from CTA. Though maybe due to long distances or other obstacles, they couldn't make it to travel to CTA. So I brought up an idea of starting up a project that could help both refugees and nationals, both Ugandans and non-Ugandans, also to get these ideas of computer basics. So I thought of starting up an online class that could maybe support us acquire these skills. So my project is called Go Use Tech. Go Use Tech, basically we train students how to design graphics. We train them how to edit videos, shooting and editing. And then we also take them these simple computer basics, Microsoft Word, Excel, those formulas in Excel. And then we go further, since I'm doing research, I also train these people how to design COBOL like questionnaires. Yeah, so we have a YouTube channel. Every video we work on, we just post it on our YouTube channel, and people have really started appreciating our work because we have shared our links to different people and they are there learning with us. At the moment, I'm working on a website. I want to make this website, at least every person who is willing to take computer, they can register with us on our website, and then we can have that e-learning platform for our learners. So far, we have 50 students, and 20 of them are from Uganda, others are from Gambia, others are from Nigeria. Yeah, so far we have 3 countries that are learning with us. Okay, my plans as me, I want, like, in the 5 years, at least everyone should be having knowledge on computer. We shouldn't be computer illiterate because the world is now running with technology. we need to be computer literate. And this is going to come through my project, Go Use Tech, whereby we are trying to train everyone that comes into our website. He or she will be able to get ideas. My message for Windle, first of all, I want to take this opportunity to thank Windle for what they have brought us as refugees in Changwa Refugee Settlement. Because me personally, after completing my Form 6, like I didn't take computer anymore. And I had that idea, I have to take computer. So when I came to Changwali, that's when I had this opportunity. So Windle, thank you so much for giving us an opportunity. And to my fellow youth out there, please, let's all come to CTA Kangoma and learn computer. And your head will be full of computer knowledge.